Your car's transmission is one of the most important components for smooth driving and vehicle performance. Proper inspection and maintenance of the transmission can help prevent costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your car. Here are some steps to inspect and maintain your car's transmission to keep it running smoothly. To check the transmission fluid level, park the car on level ground and start the engine to let it warm up. Open the hood and locate the transmission dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it clean, reinsert it, then pull it out again to check the fluid level. The fluid should be within the full range on the dipstick. If it's low, add the correct type of transmission fluid. To inspect the transmission fluid condition, examine its color and smell. Healthy fluid should be red or pink and have no burnt odor. If the fluid appears dark brown or smells burnt, it's a sign that it's time for a fluid change. Burnt fluid often indicates excessive heat or wear, which could be a sign of internal transmission problems. To keep your transmission running smoothly, it's important to changing the transmission fluid and replacing the filter. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down and collects contaminants, which can affect performance and cause wear on the transmission components. Changing the fluid and filter helps maintain optimal performance, prevent overheating, and extend the life of your transmission. The Toyota ATF-WS is a specialized automatic transmission fluid designed for Toyota and Lexus vehicles. This fluid is formulated to provide optimal lubrication and performance for Toyota and Lexus automatic transmissions. It offers long-lasting protection, smooth shifting, and helps improve fuel efficiency by reducing friction within the transmission. It is engineered to maintain high performance even under extreme temperatures, ensuring the longevity of the transmission. Inspect the area around the transmission and underneath the vehicle for any signs of fluid leaks. Transmission fluid is typically red or pink in color. If you notice any leaks, it could indicate a damaged gasket, seal, or other transmission components. It's important to address leaks promptly to prevent further damage to the transmission and avoid more costly repairs down the road. A transmission fluid checker tool is an essential device used to monitor the condition and level of transmission fluid in a vehicle. The Boscom scanner is a versatile diagnostic tool designed to help car owners and mechanics quickly identify and troubleshoot problems. This scanner allows users to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes from these critical vehicle systems, enabling efficient maintenance and repair. It provides detailed insights into the health of the vehicle, helping identify problems such as faulty sensors, transmission problems, or airbag malfunctions. By regularly inspecting and maintaining your transmission, you can ensure that your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently for years to come.